In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best miter saws available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the miter saws mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, VEVOR 2300W 14-inch Abrasive Chop Saw. The VEVOR 2300W Abrasive Chop Saw is a versatile tool for construction and metalworking projects. Featuring a 14-inch 80-tooth saw blade, it ensures precision cuts. Its reinforced heavy-duty base provides excellent stability, while the wave pattern vise offers a secure grip. The adjustable 0 to 45 degrees cutting angle adds versatility for multi-angle cuts. Built for efficiency and durability, this metal cutter is now available at an unbeatable 40% discount. Upgrade your tools and save today. Number 4, Dustfree Saw CB165-10 Multifunctional Table Saw. The CB165-10 Dustfree Multifunctional Table Saw is a dream tool for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Its dust-free design ensures a clean workspace, while the brushed motor provides reliable performance. Perfect for home woodworking, it offers a max cutting depth of 38 mm, handling various projects with ease. Sturdy, versatile, and precise, it's built for both professionals and hobbyists. Available now at a 15% discount, it's an excellent addition to any workshop. Number 3, 10-inch DualBevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw, MS6305-00. The MS6305-00 DualBevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw delivers professional-grade performance. Its 10-inch blade ensures precise and smooth cuts, while the DualBevel feature allows versatile angle adjustments. Perfect for intricate woodwork or large-scale projects, this tool guarantees efficiency and precision. Its robust design ensures long-term reliability for both DIY and professional use. Don't miss out on this premium saw, now available at a 10% discount. Number 2, 10-inch Brushless Chain Saw Miter Saw for DIY. This 10-inch brushless chain saw miter saw is ideal for DIY projects and woodcutting. With a 5,000 RPM no-load speed and a 254 mm blade, it ensures fast and precise cuts. A 90 mm max cutting depth makes it suitable for thicker materials, while the brushless motor offers durability and reduced maintenance. Compact and powerful, it's designed to make your projects easier and more efficient. Get it now at a huge 40% discount. Number 1, GCM12SD 12-inch DualBevel Sliding Glide Miter Saw. The GCM12SD 12-inch miter saw combines power and precision for the ultimate cutting experience. Its 15-amp motor and 60-tooth saw blade deliver smooth, accurate cuts. With a DualBevel sliding glide mechanism, it handles versatile angles and wide materials effortlessly. Designed for professionals and serious woodworkers, this premium saw is now available at an incredible 58% discount. Enhance your woodworking projects with unmatched efficiency and precision.